Alright, I'm gonna go over the internet in general, and I found this image right here online. I created these little documents right here. These are supposed to be documents or icons like you see on your computer. And the green represents the website that we're building. The This yellow represents an old website, let's say C2 Graphics, and this yellow, step back. This yellow represents, I mean, the orange represents an intranet or internet that we have on our computer. The only you and I can see if we were in the same house or we were connected to the same internet. So there's a such thing called the intranet, and I don't know if you heard of that before, but it's like an internet, but it's within the company. It doesn't go out, to everybody else. So the operators are us, the designers. The client is the person that we're building a website for, and then you have the customers who everybody else who view the website. And this is the local company server. I'm going to explain that in a minute. And this right here, the internet database server, is, let's pretend this is GoDaddy or any other hosting, and there's hundreds out there hosting websites. They're hosting the websites, and of course uh, they're hosting the websites, and this represents the internet. The internet is no more than electricity or wireless information that's going across, on wire or wireless over the internet. Comcast. This is the internet, and then of course you have a server. A server has software that can read internet files. The internet files you see and the internet files you do not see. And once we get into building websites, I will show you some examples of files that only have code that tells the files that you see what to do. For an example, when you type in your name, phone number, address, if you buying something, then you submit, and then it goes, you have just submitted, to pay. You type in your credit card number. There's files that tells that page what to do. That's, so the server reads that, but the operator, the client, and the customers most likely do not have that software. The local company server does as well. The mirror server, I'm gonna get to that in a minute, and the backup server. Now, like I said before, the green files represent the website we're currently building for the client. So therefore, these documents must look exactly like these documents. Must look as so. These documents must look exactly like these documents, because if you create a website in Notepad or Dreamweaver, WordPress, once you hit save, you have to upload it to the server, and then once it's uploaded to the server, then the client and the customers can see that. But if you build on a website, you can build a website without the internet, but of course it's just going to sit on your computer. And those files I was telling you about with coding only, with the code only, they won't be able to do anything on your computer because this is not a server. That's the server. Okay, so and the mirror server is what GoDaddy has to see the website. GoDaddy can actually see our files in website form. And of course, it's a backup server. They back up everybody's website just in case, the server go down, they fix it, and then they bring everything back. And they constantly rotating them just in case one goes down. That's why most websites are really down. They're really, down because of a server. And like I said before, this is the old website. Let's say that's C2 Graphics. C2 Graphics is still on the internet somewhere, but you can't read it because it's not on a server. It's on a backup server. You can't see files that's on a backup server. And the mirror, like I said, the mirror server is for GoDaddy to see websites. They can see everybody's website that they host as if it was on the internet. The local company server. it would be wise to have our website on our server and then back this up maybe once a week. You know, you back it up once a week, and then that way we can check websites, or we can use this website to build another website. We have our old website just in case we want to go back or find some more information on our old one. See, there's the old one right there. And then, or this is the internet. This is only what we see, but it's in website form. Like we have to do accounting or graphics or practice doing websites without putting them on a server. We can do that, and of course, it's on the company server, and it's also on the operators. And that's about how the internet works. I'm gonna get more into this once I show you how to actually build a website, how all this come into play, because you need special software to get this page up to the internet server. And of course, GoDaddy handles all this, and GoDaddy handle all from here to here. But we have to handle what goes from here to there. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions on this portion right here. All right, cool.